Welcome to this CommunicatorGo training session. In this video, we'll explore the Meetings feature in the CommunicatorGo Mobile App. The Meetings feature allows you to host or join meetings with multiple participants. You can hold video or audio conferences, share your screen, take remote control during screen sharing, and chat with participants in real time. Meetings can be started instantly, scheduled in advance, or joined from a link. Let's dive in. Section 1. Accessing the Meeting module. To open the Meeting module, tap the More icon in the bottom navigation bar, then select Meetings from the list. If your organization's license includes meetings, you'll see your full meeting list. If meetings aren't part of your license, all meeting options will appear disabled. From the main meetings screen, you can view all upcoming meetings sorted by date. Meetings currently in progress will show an In Progress label at the top right of the meeting card. To open a meeting and view its details, simply tap it. You can also filter your meetings by name or number using the search bar at the top. To review completed meetings, tap the History button to access previous sessions and their records. The info menu on the main meeting screen gives you additional tools. Here, you can copy your calendar URL so you can sync your meetings with your preferred calendar app, such as Outlook or Google Calendar. Section 2. Quick Actions and Creating Meetings. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a floating action button that provides quick access to key features. From here, you can join a meeting, create an instant meeting, or schedule one in advance. To join an active meeting, tap the button, enter the meeting number, and select Join. To start an instant meeting, tap the same button and choose Create Instant Meeting. This starts a meeting immediately. You can choose to make the meeting public or private. Public meetings allow anyone with the meeting link to join. Private meetings are restricted to invited participants. You can add participants from your internal directory or by entering external email addresses. Once your participants are added, tap Start to begin. To schedule a meeting, select the Schedule Meeting option. Fill in the details such as the meeting title, description, date, and start time. Set the duration, choose a recurrence option, never, daily, or custom, and then add your participants. You can invite internal participants by selecting from your contact list or add external participants by email. Be sure to save before going back to the meeting scheduler. You can also toggle whether the meeting will be public or private. When finished, tap Done to schedule and confirm. When scheduling a meeting, you can assign co-organizers to help manage it. Co-organizers have the same permissions as the main organizer, allowing them to edit settings, admit participants, or manage other meeting options. A blue badge on a participant's avatar identifies them as a co-organizer. This makes it easy to see who has organizer privileges when viewing the meeting details. Tapping a meeting from your list opens the meeting info screen. This shows all key details, including the organizer's name, meeting title and description, the meeting number, start time, duration, and privacy status. You'll also see whether the meeting is scheduled, in progress, or finished. If the meeting hasn't started yet, organizers can edit its details by tapping Edit. For recurring meetings, you can choose whether to apply changes only to one occurrence or to all meetings in the series. If the meeting is currently in progress, organizers will see options to join or end the meeting. Participants will see a Join button to connect directly from this screen. Participants cannot edit or delete finished meetings. From this same screen, organizers can click the Info button and copy the meeting invitation to the clipboard to easily share it with others. Once a meeting is finished, organizers have the option to clone it, creating a new meeting with the same settings and participants. The app automatically saves chat history from your meetings. You can review all messages exchanged during a meeting by opening the meeting record from the previous meetings list. This is helpful for referencing notes or following up on discussion points after a meeting ends. From the dashboard panel, you can also access quick actions to join, start, or schedule a meeting, similar to the options available in the Meetings tab. When you start or join a meeting, the system's meeting window opens directly inside the app. There's no need to launch a separate application. You can minimize the meeting window at any time and continue using other parts of the app while staying connected. Section 3. Best Practices. Before wrapping up this video, here are a few best practices. Always double-check the meeting details, especially the start time and time zone, before sending invitations. Assign co-organizers for important meetings so you have backup support in case you're unavailable. Use the description field to include an agenda or meeting notes for clarity. After meetings, review the chat history to follow up on key points and action items. If you host frequent meetings, sync your calendar URL to keep your schedules aligned across all devices. This concludes our training on the Meetings feature in the CommunicatorGo mobile app. You've learned how to create, schedule, and join meetings, manage participants, and adjust your meeting settings for flexibility and convenience. For more information, visit our internal knowledge base or contact your support team. Thanks for watching.